Hi everyone, welcome to week 7 of the course. This week we are going to be talking about kinship, marriage, and the family. This is chapter 9 and chapter 10 in your textbook. It's split up in two separate ones, but for the purpose of the lecture we're going to do it all at one time. I think it flows pretty well together, and some textbooks even combine it into one chapter. Yours just has it split up, so make sure you read both of those as you work through this guide learning, and then when you're taking your reading quiz, make sure you've read both of those chapters. Basically what we'll cover is how families are more than just groups of people who are related, right? So the family can be more than and is more than just who produced you and who you share your genetics with. Okay, so families are structured different in a lot of different societies. So again, it might seem like the way families are structured in the U.S. or in the culture that you predominantly were raised in, that might seem very normal and like the ultimate of reality of what a family can be. But as we look at other cultures and other societies, we can see that families are actually quite different around the world for a variety of different reasons. So we'll talk about that, how we define a family and how families are structured around the world. Then we'll also talk about some of the benefits of a family and some of the function of a family, one of which is controlling wealth and power, or there's some economic benefits of a family. So we'll talk about those. Alright, so really the point being that our social lives are centered around these relationships. So we learned about enculturation and how the family plays a huge role in that. So there's a lot of our social lives and who we are as people that's centered around our family. And so that's why it's an important topic in anthropology, because a society or a culture is made up of people, and if those people are enculturated or socialized within the family, it's important that we understand the family and the role of the family in that specific culture. So these are the things we're going to dive into this week. So continue watching through the rest of the lectures and let me know if you have any lingering questions.